So what do we have this week on what it looks like? We're going to do Bertolli family size chicken broccoli fettuccine Alfredo. Here's how it looks on the bag. Now it looks really good, so I'm hoping it's gonna be that way. It says that it's fettuccine with grilled white meat chicken and broccoli in a rich and creamy Alfredo sauce. Now I've tried some of the Bertolli frozen meals before. If you have not seen one of those, I'll put a link up here. I also put one down in the comments below so that you can check that out here soon as you're done watching this one. So we're gonna do the family size. Now I bought this at Walmart. It was $10.77. Now how many servings come in here? It says it has 4 servings per container, per bag. So we'll see. It looks like it's a pretty good amount in there too, so it looks pretty hefty. It says that Bertolli says they are rooted in Italian tradition. So we're gonna find out if it has that authentic Italian taste to it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting on. Just go ahead and knock it out right this second. Hit pause on that video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button on this video here. That would be fantastic. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And as always, we're gonna show you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, you know it, what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started with Bertolli family size chicken broccoli fettuccine Alfredo.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like? Hey, what it looks like?
All right, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got a lot of big pieces of broccoli in here. Let's see. Oh, that's a good sized piece of broccoli right there. Look at that. And I suppose this is chicken. And this may be chicken. Yeah, I think that's chicken. Could be though some of the sauce too. Like they like to freeze the sauce sometimes. So we'll see. But it's a lot in here. Look at the pasta, how it's shaped. That's pretty funny. It's like shaped in a ball like that. But we're gonna go ahead and put it in our skillet here and get it all cooked up for you. And now all we have to do is pour it into the skillet. Got some still left in there. There we go, and now it says that you have to cook it for 13 to 14 minutes on medium-high heat, stirring occasionally. This pasta shape is huge. Look at that. All right, now that it's in there, we're gonna cover it up and cook it. We're gonna stir it occasionally. It's gonna cook for 13 to 14 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 13 minutes. See how it's doing? It's got a lot of sauce in there. Now, usually I see that it has a lot of sauce in the beginning, but then as you keep cooking it, kind of goes away. So hopefully that won't happen with this one. I like how green the broccoli is too. That looks really good. Looks really good. Put the top back on there. All right, let's try stir number 2. Oh yeah, she is cooking now. Get that. Noodles are starting to break up some. That's good. Those are still kind of frozen. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It smells great. It smells really good. We have 6 minutes and 37 seconds left. Put the top back on there. All right, let's do our third stir. Oh man, she is cooking good now. All those noodles in there, the ones that's not cooking that great. Them broken up. There we go. I'm not sure this is enough for 4 servings. I mean, I can eat quite a bit. Maybe it's good for 2 servings. Got 3 minutes left. All right, let's give it our final stir. Oh man, it is cooking great. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. About 4.5 servings per container. Serving size, 1 cup. Calories, 380. Total fat, 20 grams. Saturated fat, 10 grams. Trans fat, 0.5 grams. Cholesterol, 70 milligrams. Sodium, 950 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 31 grams. Dietary fiber, 3 grams. Total sugars, 3 grams. Protein, 19 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is pretty close to the bag here, I must say. I really like how green the broccoli is. It looks just like that on the bag, which is very nice. One thing you notice on the bag is that the broccoli looks a lot smaller, whereas in real life, these are big pieces of broccoli, which also I'm not really complaining about. I really like that as well. I also like how much sauce is in here. Now, one thing I do not like, dry pasta, and you can see all the sauce right here on the side. That's fantastic. You can't tell that on the bag because the dish it has it in is kind of a deep dish, so you can't see any of the sauce. But I'm really grateful that it has it. You also notice on there that it has the chicken. The chicken has the brown marks on there, just like what you saw there on the bag. Overall, this is a really, really good representation of how it looks on the bag. They did a really good job with this. I am not mad at all. In fact, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It looks fantastic. Let's see what it smells like. Now, when it was cooking, man, it smelled delicious. Let's see how it smells up close. Oh, it smells divine. The broccoli smells good. The chicken Alfredo sauce smells really good. It smells like it has a good bit of seasoning in here, which is great. I don't want anything to taste bland. Nobody wants that. Oh yeah, this smells like it's gonna be wonderful. So I really, really like the way it smells. All right, now the moment of truth, what it tastes like. Now I have pretty much everything on here. I got pasta, I got chicken, I got broccoli. Let's see how everything tastes. Here we go. Not bad. I think it tastes pretty good. The chicken tastes great. It tastes like real chicken. It doesn't feel like it's processed or anything. It feels like you can taste or feel like each strand of chicken in there as you bite through it. So that's wonderful. Now it says it's made with 100% white meat chicken. In fact, it says no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, made without artificial preservatives. So that's fantastic, Bertolli, that's fantastic. And it tastes that way too. Now the pasta, it actually cooked up al dente. Like I was kind of concerned at first because when you look at some of the strands of pasta, it looks like it may not be cooked all the way, but it tastes fine. I like the way the sauce tastes. That tastes really good too. The broccoli, you know what? Let me just try a piece of broccoli all by itself. Let's see, some of these are pretty big pieces. Let's just try this piece right here. Oh man, that is a nice, good burst of flavor. Wow. I'm really pleased with that bite of broccoli. That is delicious. Okay, Bertolli, this is fantastic. The chicken broccoli fettuccine Alfredo. Oh man, it's a winner in my book. It is a winner in my book. I really, really like the way this turned out. The taste is really good. I mean, I could eat this whole thing, and which, of course, you know, I am going to eat all of it.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 9. Next up is taste. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 10. See, you came back to watch another one of our videos. You know, we're gonna keep showing you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, you know it, what it looks like. So what I need for you to do right now is to like and subscribe today. Don't make me come over there, okay? Do it today. If you see something at the grocery store you want us to try for you, you leave me a comment down below, and if I can find it for you, I'll show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.